In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize video controls. If you want your video player to look cleaner or give viewers access to more options, this is a simple setting that can make a big difference. By adjusting the controls, you can decide exactly which buttons appear on the video player, which helps match the viewing experience to your needs. For example, you might want a very minimal player with only essential options, or you may prefer to leave every control visible so viewers can interact more freely. To get started, open the video you want to work with. Once the video is open, look for the Customize option and select it. This is where you can adjust the appearance and behavior of the player. After that, go into Controls. This section is specifically for managing the buttons and options that viewers will see while watching the video. Inside the Controls area, you'll be able to show or hide several common player options. These include the play button, the volume control, full screen, and the share option. Turning these on or off is usually as simple as selecting the option you want to display or remove. As you make changes, think about the type of experience you want to create. If the goal is simplicity, hiding extra controls can make the player feel more polished and less distracting. If accessibility and flexibility are more important, keeping more controls visible can be the better choice. For instance, leaving the play button on is generally useful, since it gives viewers an obvious way to start the video. The volume control can also be helpful if people may be watching in different environments. Full screen is a good option when the content benefits from a larger view, and the share button is worth keeping if you want to make it easy for viewers to send the video to others. Once you've finished choosing which controls to show or hide, save your changes. At that point, your video player will reflect the setup you selected, whether that's a clean version with fewer controls or a full version with all the main options available. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly preview the player and make sure everything looks the way you expected. That final check can help you confirm that the controls match the experience you want viewers to have.